folks, nail this side, and thank you so much to showing your love and subscribing my channel. You are here, that means I'm assuming that you are already subscribed my channel. Thanks a lot, appreciate it. So here we go to publish my new video for unboxing my new Yeti microphone for me. Stay tuned. Man, yes, this is Logitech Yeti. You can see this box from this side, and it has the microphone. It has like a pop filter to reduce the noise reduction from the outside. You can use for the podcast. You can use it for the like YouTube setup, gaming setup, or maybe music stations. So like I can see that it's blue Logitech the Yeti. You can see that all the logos. It's my here. It's like blue and the black. I bought the black microphone for me because it suited to my background. So I bought it from the Best Buy, and I'll give the link in the description to where I bought and how much I paid. So it was like around $158 and like it was Boxing Day deal. So let's try this. Yes, now my voice will be crystal clear, sharp. I can say that. Perfect. Let's get unboxing these things. The box itself is very sturdy. I can say that it's very heavy box. Like it has like around 1.5 kg maybe. Yeah. So it has few things like maybe Logitech manual, okay, I don't need it. So this is maybe cables or something like that. Like, let's check this. What is inside? Yes, it has a cable inside. Manuals maybe, but I don't need it. It has the pop filter. Let's see. Yes, it's blue. You can see that in the light certain point it's blue. Over here somewhere. Yes, yeah. And the microphone itself. Oh, it's very heavy. Yes. I don't have anything inside the box. It looks beautiful. Let's check. So it has, you can see that it has the mount for the microphone, so it can be fit on the box. So like it movable and adjustable to upside down. Let me grab this out. Yes, perfect. It's something like that. Yes, it has the gain button over here. The pattern itself like omnidirectional, directional, stereo, and 360 sounds capturing functions over here. And it has the USB and microphone jack over here. You can see that. Perfect. Let me fix this knob. It has also the mute button over here. It's very sturdy, and the volume button over here. You can see that the blue logo on the front. And yes, I think this is everything. I'm looking for the cable over here, like it's a plug and play, like you have to just install the cable on the computer, and one cable goes to the microphone itself. So I already unboxing this microphone, and let me check on my system over there and let you know how the system is working, how the mic is working. As of now, I don't have any mic on my camera. That's the internal camera voice recording, like on my Nikon Z6. So you can see the difference between without the mic and the with mic. Stay tuned with me. And yes, this is the voice from the Blue Yeti microphone, and yes, you can differentiate the voice now as compared to the other one. I can definitely, for sure, this is the best voice I can get from this mic after the installations with my computer. It has the USB, so like just plug and play. You can just record your voice in the sound recorder third-party applications, or like After Effects or Adobe Premiere Pro, anything like the third-party applications. You can record your voice in your system. And yes, that's everything for this video. That's my time. Thank you so much to warm welcome me. Thank you so much to showing your love. So like, share and subscribe my video. Stay healthy, stay smiling. Peace.